Today is a doubly blessed day at our home, and it comes with a very special gift. Just a few days ago, I requested three tree cutting assistants from the office of the Puerto Princesa City Mayor Lucilo Bayron through Upland Linis. The process is incredibly simple. Just submit a letter to the City Hall, secure a permit from our barangay San Manuel or your respective barangay if you want, whatever you are, and then their captain, and our captain right here, Captain Lagrada, get DNR and GA clearances, and the LGU handles the rest. As a big thank you to the hardworking crew during lunchtime, we served them a nice garden meal. Little did they know, today is actually a massive milestone.
Yeah, oh man. Upland linis, oh man. Let's see. Papakaway pa.
It's my mom and dad's 51st wedding anniversary. They even got to revisit the Immaculate Conception Cathedral, the very place where they first went before their chapel wedding. This clean and safe garden is the perfect backdrop to end our day with a sweet cake slicing ceremony. It's actually inside.
Pasaway. Yan.
Kudos to Mayor Bayron, Captain Lagrada, and the city government for this great project. Happy 51st anniversary to the pillars of my home. That's all for today. Thank you all. God bless. Thank God.